My name is Robert Strauss. I wrote the book, John Marshall, the Final Founder. Marshall is most well known for being the longest-serving Supreme Court Chief Justice. He was the person who made the Supreme Court what it is. When the first Supreme Court came, it was in the basement of the Capitol building, in a room that on Saturday nights they had dances and Sunday mornings they had church services. So you can imagine this is where the Supreme Court was. That's just how little the rest of the people thought of it, and he made it into an institution that was worthwhile. But what he really was sort of the Forest Gump of the founders. He was there from Valley Forge through many different incarnations. It was sort of like Hamilton. He could have been Marshall, the musical, with 3 exclamation points. These were people who were very famous in their time, but we want to bring them back in some sort of entertaining and informative way. I want people to think about what the times were. What really do they know about the founders? One of the things Marshall was is at the same time, he was Secretary of State and Supreme Court Chief Justice. Well, can you imagine that today? You know, John Roberts coming into the Oval Office and Biden says, I need a Secretary of State. Well, you can stay on your other thing and you can do this too. I love it. I love looking up oddball facts of famous people. When I go past Independence Hall, I imagine Ben Franklin and Thomas Jefferson walking down the street. I try to think about the other things that are going on while we remember the litany of who was the first, second, third, fourth, fifth president. And wouldn't you like to be there when Barack Obama in the White House told his daughter, I don't like that guy you're going out with. You know what I mean? Or George Bush comes into his parents' drawing room and he puts his feet up on the table. And Mrs. Bush goes like this and says, I don't care if you are president, get your feet off my table. I would like people to come and read about John Marshall, come and read about James Buchanan and say, I like that. Well, I'm going to look up James Monroe. I just think history it should have an awakening. It's just a lot more fun than you learned in high school.
Hi, I'm Shirley.
And I'm Regina Mitchell. For more videos like this, subscribe to WHYY.